My name's Steve Janisak. I'm the Agent Development Specialist for Coldwell Banker, covering the Hoboken, New Jersey and Ridgewood, New Jersey offices. And this time I'm back to get a little more in depth with a tool that is provided to the agents called CB InTouch. InTouch is another tool that is in CB Desk that you can use for managing your contacts, your website, marketing, different type of marketing campaigns, and things like that. So I already did an introductory video to InTouch here on my YouTube channel. So you guys can see this is my YouTube channel here, Coldwell Banker ADS Steve Janisak. These are the few videos that I've put out already. You can find my videos here. You can also find them on my Microsoft SharePoint website as well. In the process of building that out, and I'm going to offer that to you guys as a place for resources and whatnot. So to get started, we're going to go to CB Desk. I always like to show you guys that CB Desk is basically the home base for all of your applications, all your tools that you're going to need to do your business. Over here, you can custom sort your different apps. With custom sort, you can drag and drop where you want them, or you can just put them in alphabetical order or have them sorted by the ones you used most recently. So I have my InTouch right up here. Just going to wait for this to finish loading. In the meantime, you can see here on this InTouch dashboard, you can see where it shows contacts, listings, marketing, your website, and then your messages. And over here, you can actually set up your account as well, all the different details of your account. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you guys a little bit more about the website. So over here, you're going to click on website. Here you can actually view the website that you have. Each Coldwell Banker agent, when you're brought on board, is provided what I call a generic website. It basically has the different copy that's on most of the websites. It's got your, it should have your profile photo and things like that. If it's not there automatically, I can help you upload it. And I'm going to kind of walk you through the process of, the basics of getting your website configured. So I'm going to go back here now to the InTouch page. So now we're going to click on the tab for website, and we're going to go to edit site. And then this brings you to a space where you can determine what pages you want to have on your website, what content, the look, the feel, where some of the different placements are of some of the tools on the website. So it is pretty customizable for for a website of this type. So this is the pages and the menus. So customize the structure and header of the header tabs on your website by adding, renaming, and moving pages and creating menus that contain subpages. So to get you started, you're going to have a breakdown of all these different pages for the generic site that you're automatically provided. So to get started, I usually like to show the agents. You're going to do the home page first. So you're going to click this button right here. And each one of these is going to give you a drop down with options. So you can edit you can edit most of these pages. So for about, you can edit that, and then you can put your your bio in there and things like that. But I'm going to try and take this one step at a time. So I'm just going to show you guys how to do the home page here. So again, you're going to click here and hit edit page. And then it's going to load the page editor. So once you're in here, this is pretty much what your home page looks like right now, or at least my page. And then up here, you're going to see 3 dots. You click on those 3 dots, and it's going to give you options to do. For this, it'll say move up or down, but it's not going to let you do that because this is how it's set automatically. So for example, then I'm going to hover inside this space, and then I'm going to click these 3 dots here and hit edit. And then this gives you the website setup wizard, and you can see the layout here. You can choose the text color, dark or light, however you want to have that configured. And then you'll hit next. Then you can choose the fonts and the colors of your site. And I'm just going to leave it like it is. I mean, I typically you probably want to leave it the CB, themed colors just for your site. And then over here, this is a pretty cool feature that you can actually choose up to 4 different images that will go in a slideshow on your homepage. So what I did is I just grabbed some images online just to kind of fill it in. But what I recommend doing is taking your own photos maybe of some of the areas that you work in, some of the downtown areas, things like that, and then making sure they're super high res. You want to make sure that these photos are very, very clear because they're large photos and they're going to be on the front page of your website. And then finally here, you'll just review everything and you can kind of see the preview of what your page will look like. You can choose where you want the search bar to be, the search option. I usually keep it just in the center. And then you can also choose what kind of text you want to be inside that box. So I decided to put start your home search journey with journey here. And that's pretty much it for the top part of your home page. And then it's going to just reload it with any of the changes you made. And then down here, you can see you can edit this part here. Same sort of setup. The headline, you can change that and then hit next. And you have the content editor, so you can choose whatever you want to be placed there. And then you'll just review it and save it. So as you can see, it's pretty straightforward process to edit these different areas. And then here, this is for your community served photo strip. So you'll see here, display several of your communities with photos in a single row. Or this is basically to choose the format you want, show off your local expertise, entice visitors to explore your communities with a snippet of one of your featured areas. You can also have it set here as links if you want with a primary photo. You can stagger it in this box here so people can click on the different areas like that. Another way to do that. You can also do modern tiles to showcase up to 6 of your communities with photos. Or you can just do the 3 in a row. So this is more or less just how you want to display the communities that you serve on your website. So I'm going to hit save. And I will go into more detail in another video to explain how to set up your community served, which is a really neat tool because you can then really drill down into the local aspect of your business and provide your clients with real insight for each community that you work in. And then finally down here, agent contact card. Again, just hit these 3 dots up here, hit edit, and you can just determine how you want your contact card to be displayed. And then hit save. So I just changed up mine a little, so you'll see that. And that's pretty much it for your home page. You can add widgets too if you want. If you click add widget, these are the different widgets. So I could add, let's see, my recent sales, search properties, testimonials, or even custom content on my homepage as well. So as you see, it's very customizable, and it's pretty straightforward in the editing process. So you can see the preview of what it'll look like on your desktop, a tablet, or even a mobile phone. So this is how you would go about just the very basics of getting your website started. I recommend, going into your InTouch and getting your website going, and then getting your contacts input as well, getting them put into the system here, so you can begin marketing campaigns. But for the sake of this video, I just wanted to show you guys the basics of editing your homepage on your video. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. You guys all have my phone number and my email address. So again, anytime you have questions, reach out. And also, if you want to reach out and set up a time where I can walk you through how to do any of these utilize any of these tools, please feel free to let me know. Thank you, guys.